This is the final throne of the Dead End Chaos. Void Throne, the ultimate battlefield for your tabletop game. Every detail of the battlefield ritual. Compatible with all scale minis and lock your tactics. Modular design, seamlessly fit your battle mat. Here, your faction's final fate is decided. High precision STL files, compatible with FDM, resin printers, beginner friendly. More than a throne is the core of your battle. Inviting you to step into a world where the power converge. Here, at the Void Throne, the endgame of the undead and chaos awaits. The clash of heroes and villains, the struggle for dominance, all unfold on this epic battlefield. Witness the moment the knight, the symbol of courage and honor, steps onto the staircase of the Void Throne. Void Throne, your tabletop final battle needs this throne. Back now to unlock your exclusive Chaos battlefield. Live on Kickstarter now.